Assalamu alaikum students. So whatever we did with tenses in the previous 2-3 lectures, today we are going to implement those things that I talked about related in specific to present indefinite and past indefinite. As I mentioned earlier in my previous 2 lectures, like in present indefinite and in past indefinite, these both, they say about itself that we are unlimited. Now let's talk that how present indefinite is unlimited and how past indefinite is unlimited. How it helps us out in order to learn language in a proper grammatical way, what we call the requirement in specific, like in IELTS and life skills. अब IELTS और लाइफ स्किल्स में ये किस तरह से हमारी मदद करता है? I have mentioned all those topics which are commonly or majorly asked in your speaking part 2 test. If we look towards this present indefinite portion here, I begin the show with, like, there are kind of questions that describe your daily routine. It comes in your present indefinite tense. You need to keep in mind the grammatical sequence that we talked about here. We have to use first form of the verb, indicator do and does. इस एमआर अगर हम ing के बगैर यूज करते हैं तो वो भी present indefinite ही में काउंट होते हैं. इसके अलावा exercise, the rest which are visible to you people, we will be discussing one by one all those. And same is the case in past indefinite. A gift you received, birthday you celebrated, wedding ceremony. Now, how to have command on all these topics? Time and again I am mentioning that you need to focus game of 5 doublets. अगर तुम लोग इस चीज पर फोकस करो तो तुम लोगों को क्यू कार्ड की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. जो स्टूडेंट्स के साथ नॉर्मली प्रॉब्लम होता है, they are always complaining this one thing, that so far as preparation time is concerned, it is 1 minute, which is far short. If 1 minute is short, then why you people consider 2 minutes is a huge time to speak anything on? The only problem with student is that they always try to write things in the form of sentences, which is absolutely wrong. You need to practice yourself on any topic via applying applications of 5W. अब मेरे पास अगर 5Ws की गेम है, 60 seconds मेरे पास टाइम है, 1 मिनट उसको तुम लोगों ने नहीं सोचना. Begin with, what are my daily routines? When I get up in the morning, which type of activities I begin with, where and when I go, why my daily routines begin late or why I get up early. The second exercise, you need to question yourself. Do I go for exercise? That is what we call as yes-no questions. Which area I go for exercise? Do I accompany someone? Like whom I go with? What is importance of exercise? Why? Exercise is important for all human beings. Same is the case with the rest of the topics. Now all these topics, they come within the circle of your present indefinite tense. Either you begin from daily routine, you go towards your favorite personality, neighbors, hobbies, leisure time, useful website, kind person that you meet on daily basis, or who lives next door to you, your favorite song, old person you know, favorite photograph. All these topics, they can be overcome easily if you do know about present indefinite and you know how to apply present indefinite on these topics, because they are relevant to you. As I mentioned in my previous lecture, that all those matters which are relevant, you can easily command those with the help of present indefinite. And keep in mind time and again that I am mentioning the game of 5 doublets. Now coming towards past indefinite, all those activities that either happened or you did in your past time, those would come in your past indefinite tense. If an examiner is asking from you people, describe a gift you received last time. So received, what is that received? It is second form of the verb. So ultimately it will click you that this is a topic which demands past tense, and majorly all the things it would come again in past indefinite tense. Now question yourself again with 5 W's. Who gave me gift? What that gift was? On which occasion that particular person gave me that gift? Was that gift worthy for me? Why gifts? They are important in our lives. If you want to connect present alongside past, so you can. In the similar way, when I celebrated my birthday last time, whom I invited on my birthday, which type of activities we performed on my birthday, why I celebrated my birthday in that particular place, where and when and again how birthdays they are normally celebrated in our society. Then again, whose wedding ceremony it was, which type of gift I give to that particular person, why wedding ceremonies are arranged nowadays in halls, where and when I attended that wedding ceremony, how wedding ceremonies are celebrated nowadays. What was that piece of advice that I received last time? Similarly, unplanned journey, good news I received. So all these topics, unexpected event, decision I took, or the school subject I liked, school days I remember, workshop that I attended, historical place. So what you need to keep in your mind as a whole? That very first game in context of grammar. Then the next one thing that you have to keep in your mind, game of 5 W's. Now what is your self practice? You need to focus these game of 5 W's alongside that which event or which time an examiner asked from you. Then audio record yourself. It won't happen at once that you would be coming towards time in a fixed shape. But once you practice it time and again, then it would really help out things for you people. This is what from my side is. If you get anything worthy out of it, please comment. If there are some mistakes, so you are welcome. And you need to comment also those.